What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I'm here with Nick from Aiper, and he's going to tell us about their brand new product, the
Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max.
Yeah. Interesting. So, what's new about the X1 Pro Max?
So the
compared to your other ones?
So the X1 Pro Max is your all-in-one. So it's going to include the skimmer, which goes across the top, gets all that leaf and debris off the top. It'll also clean the water line, so it's the horizontal water line where all the algae builds up, and then it'll also clean the floors and the walls. So it's an all-in-one versus having to have multiple units or still use the manual skimmers on the top.
Okay.
That's the big difference with it. I mean, we have advanced sensors, 40 of those for the precision mapping, so you get better quality there. And then it has the 9 motors for a much better thrust, 8,500 gallons, industry leading per hour.
Nice. Yeah. And what's the maintenance or use like? Like, how do you drop it in and take it out?
So simply take it, put it in the pool. It's going to hit the button. It's going to turn on. It does have 3 different modes. You can operate from the device, or you can use the Aiper app to control
awesome.
that. So you got Eco, Max, and then Auto. So it'll decide what it needs, or based on the system, or you can set it for how you want to do it.
Okay.
And then when you're ready to get it out of the pool, you just use the Aiper app. Simply hit recall. It's going to come up to the top for easy retrieval.
Oh, nice. That's super
just
easy.
grab it, throw it out, and then the caddy comes included with it. So then you just throw it on your caddy and wheel it to wherever you're storing it.
Okay. Yeah. And aside from the X1 Pro, are there any products that you find interesting yourself? Or?
Yeah, I mean, so we did launch the HydroCom. So the HydroCom is our underwater communication with the device that we just spoke of, but it also is a 5-in-1 water testing monitoring system. So it's going to test like your pH balance, your salt content, your temperature, report all of that back to your phone. So instead of taking the strips and the water testers, just bring your phone into the pool supply store. Yeah, you're good to go. And then we also launched a smart water sprinkler system.
Okay.
So we launched that, and what that does is actually from the app allows you to map your yard, saving you water. You can adjust it where it will not spray on the concrete, and then it will self-adjust the sprinkler stream speed to go where it needs to go.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then
That's
it also
really,
has soil monitoring to let you know if you even need to water.
Gotcha.
So yeah,
nice.
So those are our big new ones for this year. We've also launched a few other products, but those are really the highlights.
Yeah, it's awesome for lawn care and stuff like that too. That's really cool. Yeah.
Coming soon.
Yeah. All right.
Getting into the smart yard.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much
for sure, Mike. It's nice
talking to
speaking
me today,
with you.
and it's very exciting to see all the new products you got going.
Awesome. Thank you for having us. Yeah, appreciate it.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. That's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,